Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech for You YouTube channel.
I'm going to show you how to install two different clock speeds RAM into your Asus P861 second generation motherboard. So I have installed second generation Core i5 Intel processor code 2400. It's a maximum 3.1 GHz processor, and I installed 2GB 1333 MHz RAM and 1600 IPEX RAM. So today I'm going to show you how to configure these two RAMs, two different clock speed RAM in your Asus P861 motherboard. So I installed these RAMs like this way. So this is RAM slot A, this is RAM slot B, right? So if I install 1600 MHz RAM in RAM slot A, so motherboard can't identify the RAM and no display, I can't open the BIOS. This motherboard default supported RAM clock speed is 1333. So therefore I installed 1333 RAM in RAM slot A and other one in RAM slot B. So now it's working fine. I think this video is very helpful for Asus P861 users. If you have any knowledge related to this motherboard and any other BIOS related configuration, so please put a comment in comment section. Thanks for watching my video.